Now, here is a rap about the 6 aims of punishment. Don't let your ears nap to be the same. If the government enjoys some mental nourishment, forget your mental harassment. Learn the funded basics of the mentality of punishment. First, we come to the aim of retribution. Some people want revenge. It's a primitive solution. What message does it send to the future generation? Will an eye for an eye resolve the situation? Now, let's talk about the aim of reparation. If you're a criminal, you've got to pay for your action, like community service or a fine for satisfaction of the courts of the land who decide on the reaction. And what's the best reason that we punish in our nation? Is it retribution? Do we want reparation? Is it protection, deterrence, vindication, or is it main aim to achieve reformation? What's the best reason that we punish in our nation? Is it retribution? Do we want reparation? Is it protection, deterrence, vindication, or is it main aim to achieve reformation? Now, protection is the next aim that we come to. It's all about protecting the people who are close to you, the innocent. We don't understand the criminal and want to sleep peaceful at night. It's that simple. Next, put off the people who are wavering, trying to decide if criminality is the life and then misdealing is more fun than being a law-abiding citizen. Deterrence is the next reason that we're punishing. Now, vindication of the law is our next aim. It holds that the law is something right and sane. So if someone breaks it, you've got to break them so the law comes out right and the criminal is insane. What's the best reason that we punish in our nation? Is it retribution? Do we want reparation? Is it protection, deterrence, vindication, or is it main aim to achieve reformation? Now, finally, comes the aim of reformation. The idea that you can help someone become a better citizen, help making your creation, heal their frustration, bless your enemy with a splendid education. Now, many Christians will not say that this was weak because it was Jesus who said, turn the other cheek, bless your enemies and pray for those who curse you, do unto others as you want them to you. So what's the best reason that we punish in our nation? Is it retribution? Do we want reparation? Is it protection, deterrence, vindication, or is it main aim to achieve reformation? What do you think? What's the best reason that we punish in our nation? What's the best reason that we punish in our nation? Is it retribution? Do we want reparation? Is it protection, deterrence, vindication, or is it main aim to achieve reformation? What's the best reason that we punish in our nation? Is it retribution? Do we want reparation? Is it protection, deterrence, vindication, or is it main aim to achieve reformation? What's the best reason that we punish in our nation? Is it retribution? Do we want reparation? Is it protection, deterrence, vindication, or is it main aim to achieve reformation? What's the best reason that we punish in our nation? Is it retribution? Do we want